Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.